Hibiscus is one of the most renowned herbs used for hair growth. It has gained popularity because of its ability to stimulate hair growth even from dormant hair follicles in bald patches. The flower is an efficient remedy to put a stop to hair fall, encourage regrowth, and prevent premature graying. In this video, I am sharing the recipe of hibiscus hair oil for hair growth. Stay tuned. To prepare the hibiscus oil, we need some fresh hibiscus flower. Keep the flowers in room temperature for at least 24 hours, and after that, you can use those flowers to prepare your own hibiscus hair oil for hair growth. This hair oil will boost up hair growth, check itchiness of the scalp. This is excellent for treating dandruff. It will also make your hair thicker and stronger, and it will also nourish your hair by conditioning it. Apart from fresh hibiscus flower, we need 100 ml coconut oil. Coconut oil promotes scalp health, fighting against problems such as insect bites, lice, and dandruff. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair. Coconut oil adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. Coconut oil prevents hair breakage and split ends. It also helps to grow hair faster. We will need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds not only kill the bacteria and fungi present on the scalp but strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. If you think your hair grows too slow, then you can use methi seeds to grow your hair faster. We will need 2 teaspoons of camphor powder and we will mix it with coconut oil. Application of camphor on hair makes it soft and boost hair growth. This will stimulate blood flow to the applied area and promote hair growth. To this, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil is very good to promote hair growth and it also fights with dandruff. So, a small pot and add 100 ml coconut oil. After that, add methi seeds, castor oil, and camphor powder with it. For 4 to 5 minutes in low flame, oil to cool down. Transfer the oil in a jar and keep it under sunlight for 7 days. And after 7 days, your hibiscus hair oil for hair growth is ready.